Welcome back sa ating FB page na Free Reviewers with Leonalyn at sa ating YouTube channel na Solving Math with Leonalyn. So, let's answer question from one of our followers. Marami silang nagsisend sa atin ito kung paano daw ito sagutan. At medyo nakikita kong maraming nagtatanong, ano nga bang sagot nito? Maraming nagpo-post. Dito tayo ngayon sa conclusion. Sa conclusion versus assumption, kung tutuusin halos wala namang pagkakaiba nito, basta hanapin lang natin yung nag-support mismo sa given. Sa conclusion, nandyan sa given. Sa assumption, not given, pero yung hanapin natin yung nag-support sa given. Yun yung pagkakaiba niyan. Let's read yung mismong statement dito. Employees who work overtime regularly are likely to experience brownout. Uulitin ko ha. Employees who work overtime regularly, yung mga empleyado ba na nag-overtime regularly, sila yung naka-experience or sila yung laging naka-experience or are likely to experience brownout. Conclusion. Is it A? Reducing overtime will eliminate brownout. Nandyan ba yan sa given? Reducing overtime? Nandyan ba sa given yung regarding sa cause? Regular overtime is the main cause of brownout. Nandyan ba yan? Ay, burnout. Brownout ako ng brownout, di ba? Burnout yun siya. Regular overtime is the main cause of burnout. Kanina pa ako nag-brownout, ano? Letter C. Employees who avoid overtime will not experience burnout. Letter D. Overtime should be limited to prevent burnout. Ulitin natin yung statement. Employees who work overtime regularly are likely to experience burnout. So therefore, ano bang magandang konklusyon natin dito? Basahin natin si letter D. Overtime should be limited to prevent burnout. Bakit prevent tayo dito? Nandyan ba sa given na mag-prevent tayo ng burnout na yan? Ulitin natin ha para mag-gets natin. Employees who work overtime regularly are likely to experience burnout. Therefore, employees who avoid overtime will not experience burnout. Ganun lang yun. Hindi yung tipong overtime should be limited to prevent burnout. No, employees who avoid overtime will not experience burnout. So ngayon, kung iba yung sagot niyo, paki-comment na lang. Pero yan talaga yung tugma sa statement. Employees, nakailan na akong basa, employees who work overtime regularly are likely to experience burnout. So therefore, employees who avoid overtime will not experience burnout. Ganun lang. Thank you and God bless.